Hi guys, let me show you today why it's important to clean your roof with a water blaster. I have cleaned this roof to get it ready for the next spray job to be done. Here you can see me getting the water blaster ready, getting my hose out. If you have a water tank or water collection system, we will ensure to disconnect all down pipes or the water flow to your tanks. Here I connect your home's water to the water blaster. Let's start up the motor and get the water blaster going.
Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun.
Treatment only kills the moss and prevents it from growing. To remove the moss completely, we will need to consider water blasting the whole roof. Moss can cause your tile roof to become brittle and will break the tiles more frequently. Moss and mold can create damage to your roof if it's left unattended. Here I'm busy cleaning it with a surface cleaner, making sure all debris and moss are cleared from the roof. It's important to water blast your roof to get all the debris and moss removed from it, to make it a clean surface, to get ready to do a spray job on this roof. Check out my other videos how I have painted this roof that we just cleaned. Here you can see it clean side left and the dirty side on the right. This is now the clean roof, ready for the spray job. It is important to ensure that the roof is cleaned properly if you're gonna need to spray the roof over. We always ensure to clean around your property and leave it nice and tidy before we leave. In my next video, I will show the importance of getting your ridge caps checked to be free of cracks and how it works and why you need repointing. I give free estimates and quotes. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.
Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun.
At Wayne's Roofing, we work hard to provide you with the high-quality service you need at a price you can afford. Our team of experts can help you with residential and commercial roofs and repair, and we're also available for emergency service in case you need us outside of normal business hours. Let us get to work for you. Call us today.
Na 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 na. Roofing is fun.